Hey Pisces, this is Lee from Ephemeris Cartomancy, and today we are going to do your weekly love cartoscope for the second week of June. So let's see helpful information, guidance, and support for my dear Pisces. Love, life, and emotional body for the second week of June, please. Let's see. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Whew. Okay. Some of you might be Aquarius, Pisces, Cuspers, because I am feeling some Aquarius energy here. I'm also heavily feeling Aries energies, heavily. Some Sagittarius energy, Gemini, Libra, and Taurus. Okay? So, Pisces. I'm hearing the saga continues. Okay. I am feeling here a very chemistry-based connection. More passion in the past than in the present, but a very chemistry-based connection. It's almost to the point of sexual addiction connection, to be honest, for some of you. I'm feeling that vibe. If not, it's a connection in which what ties you together is not, in fact, love. There are codependencies, there are addictions, there are weaknesses, toxic behavior, and it is going to come to the surface more and more as time goes by. Okay, the truth of it is gonna come to the surface. You may be suspecting this person of having someone on the side, or they suspect you of having someone on the side. Someone, one of you at the very least, has feelings for the another. I mean, or both of you have feelings for someone else. This would be a sensible choice, sensible option. This person you are with, this was the sensible option at some point. There was that passion in the past, but now it's all weaknesses, it's all codependencies, it's all personal inability to grow. That's all there is to it in the future, to be honest. I'm not liking the vibe. It is likely that one of you or both of you are going to cheat here. At least one of you is thinking about someone else and having feelings for someone else. You are not meant for this. I'm not liking this. You are not meant for this. You are meant for something way different. You are meant for a new beginning, okay? The vibe I'm getting here, I'm not liking. This is a toxic connection, and it's gonna turn more and more toxic as time goes by. Lies, betrayal, cheating, all of that good stuff. At some point you are going to make the sensible choice here, and the sensible choice, I think it's pretty clear. You just don't want to make it because you are tied to this person. You depend upon this person for some reason or another, but that's gonna be solved with time if that's what you want. Yeah. Not good. Not good energy, not good vibes. This is a series of issues, disappointments, heartbreak, forced together by some sort of issue or lack or inability to actually do what you would like. There's nobody's happy here. There's nobody happy here. Nobody is happy here. This is a connection of convenience. This is a connection of need, of dependency in some capacity. There's nobody happy here, unfortunately. Again, the message of a new beginning here. And I don't think it's a new beginning for the two of you together. Yeah, no. The two of you together, it's gonna end. Sooner or later, this is only a matter of time. This is only a matter of time. As time goes by, things are gonna start to come to the surface. You're gonna start to learn things. You're gonna start to find out things. You're gonna start to realize things. And it's gonna crash and burn pretty much. Once that happens, you're gonna get a fresh new beginning here with someone, anyone pretty much. You would be better suited than this, to be honest. Anyone at all. And there is an abundant future for you, a great break, a great opportunity. You cannot see it right now. You are blind to it. Once you have that ending coming in, yep. It's only a matter of time, Pisces. I'm sorry, it's only a matter of time. But that better option is gonna come along and you're gonna make the right choice for you. The sensible choice. Someone is pretending to love here, and they really don't have that feeling. They need you, but it's not love. They are using you to satisfy their needs. It's not love. Of course, the energy can always be vice versa. Heavy energy, guys. I'm sorry. Things will come here. Things will come to the surface. Things will become true, clear, honest at some point. Something is gonna cause that clarity of yours or of theirs. The thing is, you should not, you know that saying, there's no one blinder than those who do not want to see, right? Don't blind yourself. Just because the truth of the matter is unpleasant or painful, do not blind yourself to it. There's more than one people here who know that this person is really not a true partner for you. More than one people know that. More than one people are fully aware of that. And at some point you're gonna become aware of it too. See? You are gonna try to navigate murky, unclean waters. It's gonna be an ongoing battle. It's gonna feel like a never-ending battle. There will always be difficulties. You will always be met with issues and crises and moments of disarray, moments of unpleasantness, moments of pain. This is going on because this connection is always going to run into issues. This is a karmic connection. For both of you, this is a lesson to be learned in personal weaknesses, in addictions, in codependencies, in making poor choices because you want to do something at some point, somehow, in some fixed way, without actually having the conditions for it. So you want to make the cake without actually having the ingredients. That's pretty much the point. So what you do at that moment is you kind of grab around anything you have along, everything you have within reach, mix it all together, stir it up, stick it in the oven, hope for the best. Of course, it's not going to be a cake, right? You're going to get something, you're going to cook something, and it's probably going to be disgusting when you end up eating it, but it's not going to be a cake. That's the point I'm hearing here. No cake, actually. I'm hearing no cake, which is weird. Let's see what else is going on here. Yeah, the thing is, I don't think that there was ill intent in making these kind of choices. I don't think that someone willingly tried to deceive someone else, or someone intentionally guided or pulled someone else on the wrong path or something along those lines. This was simply a matter of things happening in a particular way due to timing, due to personal issues, due to personal weaknesses, that kind of a vibe. Yeah. I do feel like this was a choice made more so for others than for yourself. It might have been the kind of situation where, well, not necessarily for others, I mean for yourself, but keeping in mind things that are outside of yourself. Like someone would choose to get married at a certain age because they are old enough or already too old and they need to get something going for themselves. It's not that they really love that person so much that they want to spend their life together. It's that, I mean, I need shoes. What shoes do I have to do I have access to? Those shoes. Okay, I'm gonna wear those shoes because I cannot go barefoot. You know, that's the energy here. No cake. I keep hearing that. No cake. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is a very karmic thing. This is the fate of at least one, if not two people who have made poor choices about major things in one life or more lives. These are karmic lessons which weren't learned at the right point in time, and they are going to be learned now. They are going to be learned now because at some point you have to learn those lessons. This is the best opportunity for karma to step in. Once you've learned those lessons with two new beginning cards, you have the chance at a brand new beginning, a different kind of vibe. If you learn those lessons and you've become an official item, you might have the chance at a new beginning together as well. But going about things the right way and not the wrong way. Oh, see? Yeah. If those weaknesses, if those karmic energies are released, then you have the chance at a brand new beginning at a different kind of a story together. But it's really up to both of you to make that work, to make that happen. You are going to get the opportunity to release, both of you. What you choose will determine the outcome. This can turn very toxic, okay? So choose wisely. That's all I can say right now, Pisces. Choose wisely. Sorry. These were your messages for this week. If you if the reading resonated with you, more like, hit the like button. If it didn't resonate, hit the dislike button. If you feel you vibe with me, please do gently tap the subscribe button somewhere around here. Thank you for choosing to be part of my soul tribe this week. I hope you will choose to do the same thing next week as well. Until then, I am sending you much love and light, and we'll be seeing you soon, okay? Bye!